Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 16th, 2018, and I've been doing an experiment with growing vegetables indoors under a Shangsite LED grow light. So I'm actually expanding my experiment. I got to harvest my loose leaf lettuce yesterday, and it's really good, really tasty. I planted some more of it actually because I want to make sure that I get a continuous supply of my lettuce. And I decided I'm going to try some spinach under it, and in this video here I'm going to be planting some kale. So I want to see what all I can actually grow under this light, and I'm very impressed so far with what I am seeing. So here are my kale seeds here, and I already have my seed starting mix mixed up here and put in my cell packs. I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I'll have a link down in the description for that, as well as for the light that I'm using to germinate and grow these plants under for this experiment. And I will have a link down in the description for how I mix my seed starting mix. So I'm putting probably about 3 seeds in here. Now the reason why I'm doing 3 is this is an older pack of seeds, and I had 2 of them, and I accidentally got them mixed up. And one I had in cold, I had it in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag, and I had another one that I didn't. And then one day I accidentally got them mixed up. So I'm planting more seeds just to make sure that I get some to come up for me. I think I got the right pack, because I had it with my spinach seeds, which my spinach seeds I planted last spring. So I should have the right pack. So you can do like 2 or 3. But I normally keep my seeds in the refrigerator in Ziploc bags. And what I do is I take the pack and I just put it, in a Ziploc bag, and I store it in the refrigerator for longer storage. Because sometimes they give you a lot of seeds in packs, and I don't like to throw my seeds away. I like to keep them and use what I have. So I find that I get a longer shelf life and storage life out of my seeds by putting them and keeping them in the refrigerator. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to be marking this pack, and then I'm going to be putting it back in the refrigerator in the Ziploc bag, so that I know which pack's which, and I know which one's the good one. So this will get about 1/4 to 1/2 inch planting depth, they say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my dry seed starting mix I have in this little cup here, and I'm just going to kind of sprinkle over top. I did push the seeds into the soil some. I did not cover them though. The reason why I pushed the seeds into the soil is so that the seed makes nice contact with the soil, and it helps it for germinating. So I'm just gently pushing this over the top here. Go. And I did have a little label here, because these are going to be going in an enclosed container for germination. I took little bread ties, little bread tags, and I stuck that in there, and I labeled it what was on it. I just wrote on it with pencil so that I know. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my squirt bottle here that's filled with regular water, just kind of go over the top, and there we go. So I'm going to take this over to my grow light, and I'll come back and I'll show you what that looks like. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I got my my cell packs in their enclosed container, and I'm going to let them germinate under here. And you can see here, this is my tomato plant, and back there's a little eggplant. Over there's some new lettuce that I had just started. I think I planted the seeds like 2 or 3 days ago, and it came up already for me. And here's my lettuce that I had just harvested. So as these continue to come up and germinate for me, I will come back with more videos and I will show you. Now I'm feeding this with organic plant foods. I'm using Sea Magic, and then when they go into these containers over here, I'm using an Eco Scraps 555 plant food. So I'll come back with more videos then. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells me I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching. I hope you have a nice day. And you can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have updates on there of different things that are coming up for different videos, different plants that I'm going to be planting, or different seeds that I'm going to be sowing, gardening tips, all different kinds of things on there. So I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account, and you can follow me on there. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.